Hey, my fellow car modelers, my fellow model enthusiasts, my fellow car historians. Hey, so I'm working on the Castrol Toyota Tom Super GT here by Tamiya. I did an unboxing of this video. It's listed on my page. If you're interested, go check it out. So I gotta tell you, this kit here is coming together very nicely. It's moving along very quickly. Like any Tamiya kit that I've ever built, goes together very nice. So let me show you where I'm at. I gotta tell you, almost done, but I'm just give you a quick update here on what we're doing. So let's get that box out of the way. That fell. Yes, I did drop something. Alright, so let's go to the chassis. First of all, I like to show you my bench is very clean, and I'm very proud of myself for that. Because I like a clean workspace. So here is the chassis. The roll cage. As you see, everything's painted white. I just use Rust-Oleum gloss white. The dashboard is flat black. It's got a nice little, kind of hard to see, but carbon fiber decal that goes for the gauges are kind of nice. The seat has some nice decal and some carbon fiber decals. It's kind of see it there. Kind of doesn't show up too well. A lot of this stuff on the interior, I build a lot of race cars. A lot of this stuff inside just doesn't show up. The hoses were supposed to be like silver or gray or something. I did them, the ear hoses, I did them red, just to kind of pick them out a little bit. One thing I did not do, because the way the hoses sit, and I think I put them in wrong, and now I tried to take it out and put it back in, you can see they kind of sit a little awkward, was the back brace here that goes, that fell. That goes in the back here across the back roll cage there behind the seat and whatnot. Did not, I took it out because the hoses just were getting in the way, and I was kind of making a mess back there. So I just took it out, just painted things up. Got a little black touch up there, but the white touch ups I did looked okay. There's the Tamiya half engine. So yeah, it doesn't have the X brace there. I don't know what you call that, the roll cage bar. Underneath, man, I gotta put it over here. Gotta tell you, everything went together really well. Front suspension up there. Rear suspension down there. Very clean, very nice looking. Got the exhaust that comes out there. So I know this is a Toyota. I actually own a Honda, and underneath is almost identical. My little Honda Civic. The way it's set up must be some the Japanese way of doing things. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So, yeah, got all that rolling. So this piece here is supposed to be black. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not, this little insert. It's already in. I don't know if I'm going to do it. So far this is good. I got a few pieces left over here working on. Yeah, that little piece. Don't know where that one goes. This has got to go black. Those are the rear view mirrors. What are the little exhaust vents there? So let me show you the body. The body was painted earlier today, so it's still on the my little coat hook stand. Again, gloss white. The camera's having a hard time focusing here. So that's going to be really nice. I'm going to put, when this dries, put a few coats of floor polish on it. And then we'll put all the rest of the decals, which are over here, and the details. So this is looking real nice. I got another coat of paint to do on the airfoil. Bad boy will go on there like that. It actually needs a little bit of sanding. There's some sharp edges there. So it's put together. Just needs a little work. The wheels, we're not going to touch these. They're still on the board. I just painted them. They're a chrome part. But they tell you to put like little white lines through. Let's see if I can get a pointer here. Here's a little pointer. Where are we at? Right through here. It tells you that it's supposed to be white. I tried to do that with some acrylic paint. Get the white in there. It kind of failed on me. So I just went ahead and spray painted it the Rust-Oleum metallic. Where's the can? I gotta tell you, I love this stuff. Metallic finish Rust-Oleum. It looks like chrome. Get a chance. Buy one of these. You won't regret it. Anyways, So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up putting like a little black wash in here to kind of bring out the details, and then like the center hubs, probably just paint them red. And those should look okay. So, with that being said here, this car is moving along pretty quickly. This is about a week's worth of work. And I got to tell you, I'm absolutely loving it. So once this bad boy gets a little drier and put some work into it, I'm going to paint the headlights here. Yes, I kind of touched it with a little tacky. Get the decals on that bad boy. Get the windows in. I got to cut some pieces of a netting that they use for the front here. And apparently a little bit on the side there, that open space there, get some netting in it. They give you the little netting, like small chicken wire or something. So, gotta cut those. We'll do that later. So I'm hoping that this bad boy will turn into that bad boy. Alright, that's 6 minutes of me wasting your time giving you an update on the Supra. So, next one should be either a finished or at least mostly finished. I'll give you an update later in the week. Alright, everybody. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, have a good one and rock and roll.